Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nuc Power Supply is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in your compact computing setup, ensuring stable and efficient operation for your mini PC. Without a reliable power source, even the most powerful Nuc can falter, leading to performance issues, data corruption, or complete system failure. This review dives deep into what makes a Nuc Power Supply truly exceptional, helping you make an informed decision to safeguard your investment and unlock the full potential of your small form factor machine. Number 5. Samsung 970 EVO 1TB NVMe SSD. Experience the next level of storage with our 1TB NVMe SSD. It's designed for peak performance and reliability. Get a free 2-month membership to the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography plan. It's our gift to you with your purchase. Our advanced vNAND technology provides enhanced bandwidth and low latency. It's perfect for demanding tasks and gaming. Achieve sequential read speeds of up to 3,500 MB/s and write speeds of up to 2,500 MB/s. Enjoy lightning-fast data access. Easily manage your drive with our Magician software. It ensures optimal performance and robust data security with automatic updates. Stay cool under pressure. Our dynamic thermal guard technology maintains optimal temperatures, preventing performance throttling. Rest assured with a 5-year limited warranty. This drive is built to last and perform. What we like. Experience unparalleled speed with innovative vNAND technology. This drive offers breakthrough read and write speeds, perfect for demanding tasks. If you are a content creator, gamer, or tech enthusiast looking for top-tier performance and reliability, this is the drive for you. What people say. The Nuc Power Supply is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. It provides stable power output, ensuring reliable performance for the Nuc. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, complementing the Nuc's aesthetic. Number 4. FSP Power Supply for Intel Nuc. Ensure your Intel Nuc runs smoothly with this high-quality 65W power supply. It provides stable output and is designed for long-lasting performance. Featuring an extra-long 12-foot cord, this adapter offers greater flexibility in placement. Keep your mini PC powered up without being tied down by short cables. This power adapter is compatible with a wide range of Intel Nuc models, including the 10, 8, 7, 6, and 5 series. It's the perfect fit for your mainstream kit. Rest assured with UL certification, guaranteeing safety and reliability. Your equipment, business, and home are protected by its quality construction. Made in Taiwan with premium components, this power supply is built for durability. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month exchange warranty and friendly US-based support. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of an extra-long 12-foot cord for flexible placement. It's UL listed for safety and offers wide compatibility with many Intel Nuc models. If you need a reliable and safe power supply with extended reach for your mini PC, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Nuc Power Supply is a reliable and efficient choice for your mini PC. It provides stable power output, ensuring your Nuc runs smoothly without interruptions. The compact design makes it easy to integrate into small form factor builds. Number 3. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Mini PC. Experience a significant performance boost with its advanced processor, offering over 30 to 60% improvement for smoother operation in your daily tasks. Enjoy lightning-fast boot-ups and application switching with its generous RAM and SSD. Expand your storage up to 4 TB to keep all your files easily accessible. Immerse yourself in vibrant visuals with support for triple 4K displays at 60 Hz. It's perfect for enhancing your home entertainment and productivity. Benefit from ultra-fast data transfers with USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, up to 10 gigabits per second. Stay connected with a stable 1000 m LAN and reliable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Its powerful cooling system dissipates heat effectively, reducing wear and tear on components for a longer lifespan and consistent performance. This compact device saves valuable desk space and is easily portable for business travel. Mount it discreetly behind your monitor for a clutter-free setup. Enjoy peace of mind with lifetime technical support and a 12-month satisfaction guarantee. Our professional team is ready to assist you with any issues. What we like. This mini PC boasts a powerful AMD Ryzen R2544 processor for smooth multitasking. It supports 4K triple displays, ideal for productivity and entertainment. If you need a compact, portable, and capable machine for office work or home entertainment, this mini PC is a great fit. What people say. The Nuc Power Supply is a reliable and efficient choice for powering your Nuc. Its compact design makes it easy to integrate into small form factor builds. The power supply offers stable voltage output, ensuring the longevity of your Nuc components. Number 2. AC Dr. Inc. 90W Universal Laptop Charger. This 90W Universal AC power adapter is designed to work with a wide range of laptops. It's a reliable replacement for your original charger, ensuring your device stays powered up. Specifically compatible with brands like Lenovo, HP, Toshiba, and Asus. If your original charger has the same voltage, amperage, and connector size, this adapter is likely a perfect fit. It features an input of AC 100-240V and an output of DC 19V 4.74A, delivering a full 90W of power. The connector size is a standard 5.5 by 2.5 mm. Rest assured, this charger is CE, UL, and RoHS certified for safe use. It comes with a 2-prong US power cord for your convenience. We offer an OEM factory price with US local dispatch. Please double-check your device's requirements to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We provide 24/7 email support and are always here to help with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. Get universal compatibility with major laptop brands like Lenovo, HP, and Toshiba. It provides a robust 90W power output and is CE, UL, and RoHS certified for safe use. If you need a versatile and safe replacement adapter for multiple laptops, this is a practical solution. What people say. The Nuc Power Supply is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. It provides stable power output, ensuring reliable performance for the Nuc. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, complementing the Nuc's aesthetic. Number 1. HQRP AC Power Adapter for Intel Nuc Kits. Ensure your Intel Nuc runs smoothly with this high-quality AC power adapter. It provides stable and reliable power, replacing your original adapter with confidence. Designed for global use, this adapter accepts a wide input voltage range from 100V to 240V. It's perfect for use anywhere in the world, offering flexibility and convenience. With an output of 19V, 3.42A, and 65 watts, it delivers the precise power your device needs to perform at its best. This ensures optimal functionality and longevity. This adapter is compatible with a vast array of Intel Nuc kits, including the D34010WIK, D54250WIK, and many models from the 5, 6, 7, and 8 series. Check the full list to confirm it's the right fit for your mini PC. Built with your safety in mind, it features automatic overload and thermal cutoffs, along with short circuit and overvoltage protection. Enjoy peace of mind with its reliable and safe operation. Experience high efficiency and reliability with minimal interference and noise. This adapter is designed for a clean and quiet power supply, ensuring a smooth user experience. What we like. This adapter is specifically designed for Intel Nuc kits, offering broad model support. It includes multiple safety features like overload and thermal cutoff for reliable operation. If you have a compatible Intel Nuc and prioritize safety and specific compatibility, this power adapter is a solid option. What people say. This Nuc power supply is compact and fits perfectly in small spaces. The power supply runs quietly, even under load, which is great for a home office setup. It provides stable power output, ensuring the Nuc runs smoothly without any interruptions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.